What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling something super simple but essential, installing Windows 11 on a fresh new build. This process is straightforward and we're gonna break it down into just a few easy steps. So let's lock in and get it done. Step 1. Getting Windows 11 onto a USB drive. You're gonna need a working Windows PC or laptop and a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Plug that drive in, then open your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO. Click the first result, which should be the official Microsoft page. Links in the description if you need it. Once the page loads, scroll down to the Create Windows 11 Installation Media section and hit that download button. It's a small file, so it'll be quick. Run it, click yes when it asks for permission, and accept the license terms. After a bit of loading, you'll get to a screen where you confirm your language settings. Make sure they're correct, then hit next. Now make sure you select USB flash drive as the installation media, not ISO file, then confirm that your USB drive is selected and click next one more time. The installation media will now be written to the drive, which can take up to 10 minutes. Once it's done, click finish and you can eject the drive. If you open File Explorer, it should look exactly like this. Now step 2, using that drive to install Windows on your new PC. Plug the USB into your fresh build, power it on, and after the motherboard splash screen, you'll be greeted by the Windows setup prompt. Double check that everything looks correct, then hit next and install. When it asks for a product key, just select I don't have a product key, we'll activate later. Choose either Windows 11 Home or Pro depending on what you need, then accept the license terms and yeah, make sure you actually read them. On the next screen, select Custom Install Windows Only, then choose your main SSD as the installation drive and click Next. Windows will do its thing, and after reboot, you'll go through the setup flow where you enter your region, keyboard layout, and sign in with your Microsoft account. Final step, purchasing and activating Windows. Head over to digitalchillmart.com, links down below, and select either Windows 11 Home or Pro based on what you chose earlier. I went with Pro, so I'll click that, add it to my cart, and at checkout. Now, you might ask why Digital Chill Mart? Why pay $100 directly from Microsoft when you can get the same key for a fraction of the price? It's a no-brainer. And that's it, your Windows 11 installation is complete. I wanted to keep this short and snappy. And if you're new here and enjoying the content, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you watching and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.